In this video, we will talk about 3 powerful visualization techniques to manifest our desires. These techniques were suggested by Dr. Joseph Murphy and a few other experts. They can genuinely change our life if used correctly. Let's dive in. Namaste. I am Gargi and you are watching The Aligned Souls. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul. We are working on a course on mindfulness and meditation. If you are interested, please fill your details in the form given in the description and we will inform you once it's ready. Mostly, our mind tends to focus on what we don't have rather than what we desire. We keep thinking about financial problems, health issues, loss in business, broken relationships, arguments, and so on. In his book, The Power of Subconscious Mind, Dr. Joseph Murphy said that whatever thoughts, opinions, beliefs we impress upon our subconscious mind, they manifest in our life experiences. So, if we are constantly thinking and worrying about the lack, knowingly or unknowingly, we are inviting more such issues in our lives. So, the point now is to focus on the outcome we want to manifest. And how do we do that? Via these visualization techniques. Through these techniques, we can get our subconscious mind to work for us. Visualization is a tool that can help us shift our focus from negativity, fear, and anxiety to what we really want to manifest. When done properly and repeatedly, they help train our minds. And when the mind is in the right space, we start to manifest our desires. Now, let's move to the 3 visualization techniques. Number 1. Meditation on a word or affirmation. Think of something that you really want. Let's say you want to start a business of your own. Write an affirmation, phrase, or a single word that expresses your desire and focus on it daily. Important thing is to keep it on a positive note. And it should also talk about the final thing that you want. So, don't say things like, I'm no longer scared to start a business. Instead, you should say, I am a successful businesswoman. It also helps to add something very specific. Like, you can add a revenue or profit target. I am a successful businesswoman making XYZ crore profit in a year. Write it down and focus on it for a few minutes before sleeping and first thing in the morning. For example, if you want to be a recognized author, you might write, I am an internationally recognized author on a note card and then concentrate on it for a few minutes every morning. Number 2. Mental movie technique. Can you imagine living your dream life right now? That's exactly what this technique wants you to do. Visualize a scene where you are living your desired life, experiencing your goal as if it is already happening. Imagine this scene repeatedly with strong emotions. The more real it feels, the better. For example, if your goal is to own a successful business, imagine yourself in your office, making important decisions, feeling the sense of accomplishment that comes with success. The key here is to make it as real as possible in your mind. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goal. The joy, the excitement, the fulfillment. Try to involve all your senses in this visualization. What do you see? What do you hear? How does it feel? Do this visualization exercise when you wake up in the morning and before you go to sleep at night. Number 3. Vision board. A vision board is a powerful visualization tool to manifest our dreams. To create a vision board, start by identifying your goals and aspirations. They could be related to your career, relationships, personal growth, health, travel, or any other aspect of life that's important to you. Next, find pictures, words, affirmations that represent these goals. You can use magazines, printouts, or even create your own illustrations. Be as creative as you want. Once you have your materials, arrange them on a board or on a diary. The board can be a cork board, a poster board, or even a digital board on your computer or mobile device. If you prefer a more portable option, a diary or a notebook works wonderfully well. Place the images and words in a way that feel right to you. Remember, This is your vision board and it should reflect your personal journey and aspirations. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, you might want to include pictures of successful entrepreneurs who inspire you. Any quotes that you like, revenue figures that you are aiming for. If you aspire to have a healthy lifestyle, you can put images of fresh fruits, yoga or gym pictures, or anything else that signifies health and wellness to you. Once you have created your vision board, you can place it somewhere you can see it daily. This could be on your wall, on your desk, or as a background on your devices. The key is to place it somewhere where it will be a constant reminder of your goals and dreams. Repetition is the key. Also note that the purpose of your vision board is to bring everything on it to life. So, it is important to look at it daily and imagine these goals as already achieved. This practice will help align your thoughts and actions with your goals and will eventually turn your visions into reality. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support really motivates us to keep bringing these videos to you. Next, you can watch this video where we talk about the 3 steps to manifest anything.